Hey y'all, as you can see, I am very much pregnant.
Not you yawning on my set, G, but to get your baby mama.
Been trying to just bask in it and still create content, but I am very much pregnant and I just wanted to let you guys in on a little bit of it and just update you on my life. I will be doing a pregnancy photo shoot very, very soon, and I wanted to just take you along the journey with me as I tried to figure out what to wear, how I'm shopping for it, how I'm getting my inspiration, and all those things. Yeah, y'all, I've been pregnant for like 23 weeks, and I found out when I was 6 weeks. It was so exciting. I had no idea that I was actually even pregnant. I just had these really bad gas cramps. And I don't know if that's TMI for y'all, but it is what it is. I literally had these bad gas cramps. I even took gas X, and something was like, just take a test. So I took a test and it ended up being me being pregnant. And it was just so exciting, and I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. I keep telling y'all, these mood boards, these vision boards, make them. They are real. They will come to life. Just trust in God. Trust in the timing. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your goals. Just know that everything that you have in your heart to desire, it is meant for you. It's going to happen. You just got to stay faithful. You just got to keep working on yourself. You just got to keep putting value and love and care into yourself, and things are always working themselves out for you. They are, y'all. I'm telling you, they are. I'm going to continue to create my content. I have friends that are like, oh my goodness, are you going to create more outfit videos with, your pregnancy looks and all those things? Yes, I am. At first I wasn't, because I'm like, do I look pregnant, or do I just look like I got a stomach, or what is it? I love my little sets that I've put on, that I've been creating, and I just want to share. I just want to show you guys all the things that I'm preparing for, and my outfit videos are still here to come. But let's get into this photo shoot that we're about to do. I found a photographer. I just have to give her, some photos, some inspiration, and I'm thinking of doing it at the house. I want to be able to make it like an intimate shoot where it's just like me chilling, vibing in my house, and I think that would be cute. I think it would be really nice. It would be very classic chic. Yeah. So come along this journey with me. I'll show you all those things and more.
All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go to Pinterest so that I can start creating a board. Well, I already started a board. I was so hyped and I just wanted to go ahead and start a board to see what I could find, get some inspiration from. So I want to go on here and I'm just going to put in the type of photo shoot that I have in my mind. So this is what I put so far. I put intimate maternity photos. Let's see what comes up. And like I said, I got on here already and I created the title of the board. But now I want to just start saving some images. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So that I can create a folder of inspiration. So I love this one here. You see how you can see it says pregnancy announcement. I already titled it. I'm just going to go ahead, go through some of the images that I really, really like and save them. Some of these are really, really cute. I don't want to be like really, really fancy studio vibe. I just want to be very intimate. I don't know. I've just been in that vibe, that mood. That's even how I feel about my wedding coming up. I just want it to be very, very intimate and just beautiful, chic, beautiful. So that's the vibe that I'm going for. And I love about Pinterest is you can put the exact vibe that you're going for. You can click it and then it'll take you to more images that are similar, or it'll take you to a website where you can purchase. So you can see what's loading right now is Temu, where you can, I guess, get that dress. I'm not buying my dress from there, but I am just clicking just to see what else comes up that's similar. as far as the vibe of the photos that I really, really like so far I've seen. So I think this one is really beautiful. So I'm going to click this one here. It says oh yeah, I just saved that one already. So let's see what other ones come up that are really cute. Oh my god, they are so cute together. Now oh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna save that one. All right, let's go back in here and see if we find some similar photos like this. Because that is just adorable. Oh, love this. Now we're talking. This is more of the vibe. Oh my god, look at Kiki, y'all. So cute. See, this is what I'm saying. I didn't want a studio vibe. I wanted just something home and cute and for me. So I guess you guys could just see the vibe. Oh, this top is adorable. You guys can really get to see how I'm searching and navigating through the photos. This one is beautiful too. I'm just going ahead, I'm clicking the photos that I like after I save them to my folder that I've created. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what is in there. And I'm gonna put it into my Canva to create a little personal mood board that I could send to the photographer. She did also ask me to send her video of the actual space. So I'll show you guys my space, in-home space that I'm going to be shooting. All right, so now let's go ahead and go to the board. Here's my board right here. And as you can see, there's photos in here that I started saving that I really, really love to get inspiration from. And I'm just going to start snipping and saving them to Canva. So first, let's go to Canva and find a mood board that we really like. Just like I said, this is a quick, simple one. We're going to be doing 2 outfits for our photos. So it doesn't need to necessarily be a huge board or anything, just something to give her an idea of the type of shots that I really want. And yeah, so she could just get an idea of that. So let's find a little board that we like. Let's do this minimalist one. I really like that one here. We're going to customize it. 2024. Okay, right now I want to have kids, so I know I'm going to just title that one. Is that for now. And I'm just going to go ahead and start snipping photos that I want to add into my board. So like I said, I really like that one right there. So I'm going to go ahead to my snapper, my picture frame snapper, and I'm going to capture this image. I don't know if you can hear that little snippet, but I'm going to then start pasting them here. And boom, we can start the board here. I actually do want to change this title. I'm going to take this out here. I'm gonna change this to Pregnancy 2024. Let's say announcement 2024. And we'll delete that here. We can put that there and let's start snipping away.
She's yawning on my set. Jay, you better get the ring, mama. She's yawning on my set. It just went out. It came out of nowhere. me up a little bit?
Yeah.
You